point is exponential Fourier series. So any periodic signal x of t can be represented as x of t equal to summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity Cn e raised to power jn omega 0 t. So this is the exponential Fourier series, where Cn is the exponential Fourier series coefficient. Cn is exponential Fourier series coefficient. N is the integer. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. Omega naught is the fundamental frequency. Omega naught is fundamental frequency in radian per second, and omega naught is nothing but 2 pi upon t, where capital T is the period of the signal x of t. So if I expand this summation, so x of t will be c naught. If I put n equal to 0, then c naught plus c1 e raised to power j omega 0 t plus c2 e raised to power 2j omega 0 t plus dash dash dash. If I substitute some negative values, then it becomes c minus 1 e raised to power minus j omega 0 t plus c2 e raised to power minus 2j omega 0 t plus dash dash dash. So this expression I got by putting here n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to minus 1, n equal to minus 3. Here Cn is the exponential Fourier series coefficient and it is given by the formula. So Cn has the formula Cn equal to 1 by t integration over one period t. The period can be 0 to t or minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. X of t e raised to power minus jn omega 0 t dt. So this is, by this formula we can calculate Cn. If very complex question is provided, then you can use this relationship to get the value of Cn. If the sketch of x of t is provided, then also you can use this formula to get the expression for Cn. Now let's look at the question, but before that let's talk about some. Cos theta is e raised to j theta plus e raised to minus j theta upon 2. Sin theta is e raised to j theta minus e raised to minus j theta upon 2j. Then cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So that can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta. Then sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 sin cos 2 theta. So these basics are also important, and in the expansion of x of t, the constant term will be c naught. Constant term will be c naught. It is called as DC value or average value. Then one basic point, that if in x of t equation only one frequency is present, just like x of t equal to 2 minus 5 cos 10 pi t. So here only one frequency is present, right? Then we get only C1 and C minus 1. The coefficient will be C1 and C minus 1. Okay, so now let's start with the question. So question is, determine exponential Fourier series coefficient for x of t equal to 2 minus 3 cos 6 pi t. So the constant term is nothing but the C naught. So this is nothing but C naught. So in all four options, C naught value is 2. Okay. Then only one frequency is present. So definitely we will get only C1. C1 and C minus 1. So in all options, C1, C minus 1 is present. So we have to determine this coefficient value, whether it is minus 3 3 or minus 3 minus 3, 3 by 2 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So all these things we have to determine. Okay, so we have to identify the correct option. So x of t is given is 2 minus 3 cos 6 pi t. So use basic. So x of t becomes 2 minus 3 cos theta is e raised to j theta plus e raised to minus j theta upon 2. So it becomes e raised to power j theta 6 pi t plus e raised to power minus j theta. So minus j 6 pi t. Theta is 6 pi t here, divided by 2. So just simplify it. So x of t equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 e raised to power j 6 pi t minus 3 by 2 e raised to power minus j 6 pi t. So here, so this is nothing but C naught plus C1 e raised to power j omega 0 t plus C minus 1 e raised to power minus j n is 1 omega 0 t. So if I compare, so C1 is minus 3 by 2, C minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Okay, and C naught is a constant term, but that is nothing but 2. So if you match the option, so correct answer is option D. Now let's try one more question. Find EFS coefficient for x of t equal to 2 sin 4 pi t. So use basic. Sin theta is e raised to j theta minus e raised to minus j theta upon 2j. So it becomes 2 times e raised to power j 4 pi t minus e raised to power minus j 4 pi t divided by 2j. So 2 cancel. So it becomes 1 by j e raised to power j 4 pi t minus 1 by j e raised to power minus j 4 pi t. So as only one frequency is present, 4 pi omega naught fundamental frequency here is 4 pi, only one frequency is present. So that coefficient will be C1. So here C1 is 1 by j and C minus 1 is minus 1 by j. Now match the option. 1 by j minus 1 by j. Okay, options are not present, so we have to use some basic, like j square is nothing but minus 1. So j into j is nothing but minus 1. So j is 1 by j minus 1 by j, or you can say minus j is 1 by j. So here 1 by j is nothing but minus j and minus 1 by j is nothing but j. Minus 1 by j is nothing but j. So C minus 1 is j and C1 is minus j. Now again check the option minus j j. So correct answer is option B. Now let's look at one more question. Find exponential Fourier series coefficient for x of t equal to 2 cos square 4 pi t. So x of t given is 2 cos square 4 pi t. Use cos square theta formula. So cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta. So cos theta is 4 pi t, so 2 theta, so it becomes 8 pi t divided by 2. 2 to cancel, so it is nothing but 1 plus cos 8 pi t. So this can be written as 1 plus e raised to power j 8 pi t plus e raised to power minus j 8 pi t divided by 2. So this can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2 e raised to power j 8 pi t plus 1 by 2 e raised to power minus j 8 pi t. So constant term is the C naught. So C naught equal to 1. Then only one frequency is present, 8 pi. Omega naught is 8 pi. And this coefficient is C1. So C1 is 1 by 2. C minus 1 is 1 by 2. So this is the answer. So 1 by 2 means 0.5, 0.5. So correct answer is option A. Find exponential Fourier series coefficient for x of t equal to 3 plus cos 3t plus 2 sin 4t. Full stop. The period of the signal is 2 pi. The period of the signal is 2 pi. Okay, so as period is 2 pi, so omega naught will be 2 pi upon t. That means 2 pi upon 2 pi 1. Omega naught value is 1. Okay, now you can see there is different frequencies 3t and 4t. So these are having different frequencies. Sure. Then what you can do, you can write x of t as 3 plus e raised to j 3t plus e raised to minus j 3t upon 2 plus 2 e raised to j 4t minus e raised to minus j 4t upon 2j. So 2 to cancel, so this is nothing but 3 plus 1 by 2 e raised to j 3t plus 1 by 2 e raised to minus j 3t plus 1 by j e raised to j 4t plus minus 1 by j e raised to minus j 4t. Okay, now we have to identify these are which coefficients. These are which coefficients. Okay, so what we have to do, omega naught is 1. So now important point. So compare these 3jt with your j and omega 0t. Omega naught value given is 1. So that is nothing but jn t equal to j3t. So j and t get cancelled out. So n value is 3. N value is 3. So this is the coefficient. We have compared this 3jt. So this is nothing but C3. And this is minus 3jt. That means this is nothing but C minus 3. Similarly, compare J4t with J and omega t. J and omega 0t. Omega naught is 1. Omega naught is 1. T cancel, J cancel. So N value is 4. So this is nothing but C4. And this is minus e raised to minus j4t, that means this is c minus 4. Now you can write the coefficient. Constant is the c naught, so c naught is 3. Then this is c3 equal to 1 by 2, c minus 3 equal to 1 by 2, c4 equal to 1 by j, and c minus 4 equal to minus 1 by j. So this is the answer for this question. These are the coefficients. Now why I have compared with j and omega 0t? Why I have compared j3t with j and omega 0t? Because we know that we have this type of terms cn e raised to power jn omega 0t. So that's why the coefficient it was like 1 by 2 e raised to power j3t. So that's why I have compared. It is which type of coefficient? For that I have compared with j and omega 0t with j3t. Okay. Now next question. find exponential Fourier series coefficient for x of t equal to 2 cos 8 pi t plus 3 cos 12 pi t. The period of the signal is 0.5. So what is omega naught? 2 pi upon t. So 2 pi upon 0.5, that means 4 pi. Omega naught is 4 pi. Okay. So this x of t can be written as 2 e raised to power j 8 pi t plus e raised to power minus j 8 pi t upon 2 plus 3 e raised to power j 12 pi t plus e raised to power minus j 12 pi t divided by 2. So this is nothing but 2 cancel. So e raised to power j 8 pi t plus e raised to power minus j 8 pi t plus 3 by 2 e raised to power j 12 pi t plus 3 by 2 e raised to power minus j 12 by t. So this is our x of t. Now what we have to do to determine here which coefficient is present. Here which coefficient is present? Here it is which coefficient? It is which coefficient? For that what you have to do? You have to compare 8 pi t j 8 pi t with jn omega 0 t. So tt cancel, jj cancel, omega naught is 4 pi. So n 4 pi equal to 8 pi. T and j are cancel. So pi cancel. So n value is 2. So this is nothing but C2. So C2 value is 1. So C2 equal to 1 and this will be C minus 2. C minus 2 is 1. Okay, now here 12 pi t, compare j 12 pi t with jn omega 0 t. Omega naught is 4 pi. jj and tt cancel, so 12 pi equal to omega naught is 4 pi, so 4 pi n. Then pi cancel, so n value is 3. N value is 3. So this is nothing but C3 and this is C minus 3. So C3 and C3 value is 3 by 2 and C minus 3 is again 3 by 2. Now let's look at one more question. Find EFS coefficient for x of t equal to 3 j 6 pi t plus 3 e raised to power minus j 6 pi t. So 6 pi only one frequency is present. So definitely this is C1. So C1 is 3 and C minus 1 is also 3. So I think we have done enough practice of determining exponential Fourier series coefficient.